And see, there's only so much you can see because the motor is kind of in the way, but you get what I'm doing, okay? So now I'm going to take this, and I've got to kind of slip that up in there. See how this is flat? This part's flat, so that's going to kind of go up like that. And I'm going to kind of slip it in that slot up there. And I'm not going to touch the settings or anything. And there's just enough room to fit it up above everything. And I can see, now that I have the ground wires out, to put that up in there, I got to take these 3 wires that are coming out this way, and I got to put them back over on the other side, okay? I can't hook them up on this side because that's right where I want to put that box. And I can look at this box again and think, okay, maybe I can hook it over on this way and see. But if I do that, actually, let's just take a quick look there. Either way, I need to get those out of there. My black and white wires are very small. I got my black and white wire over there. And so if I push it in this way, my little connections are going to be over on this side. So I'm going to reposition those. Okay? And that's just what I'm going to do. Those are coming from the fan, so I'm going to just slide them over to this other side. It's kind of easy to do that because they're so flexible, right? I'm going to just pull that over. I'm not going to cut the wires for the reasons why I told you. Ah, come on. Oh. I want to get these right so when I pull it, I could just pull them all at the same go. And I wasn't grabbing it right. Okay, now. Okay, I can see which ones. I'm just going to gently thread this through. Okay. That. I got them over here on the back side. Okay, I got those 3 wires over on this side. And I got the other wires. Okay. So now I can take this module and I've got to fish it up in there, and hopefully I can do that without getting anything in my way. So I got the black and white wire swiveled back over that way. I got these other wires over here, kind of finagled down so that I can try to slip this through. And I should be able to do that. Now, what's the deal? Do I have to get up here higher? I didn't want to have to get up any higher. Maybe there's only one way to slip it in. Oh, I see. I think it's hitting my ground wire. I think that's what it's hitting. Boy, it's a tight, it's really a pretty tight fit. You know? I'm gonna have to kind of massage it a little bit. There. Come on. That ground wire was in my way. Okay. Now, I got that up there. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. It looks fine. I should have looked at that to see which way it went up there from before, because I thought I pulled it down the very opposite way, but I'll get you up there now so you can kind of see what I did. No problem. It fits right up in there. Fits tight, doesn't it? Here's my little antenna. Make sure you don't mess with that. Here's my 3 wires that were coming out of it on that side, and my black and white are on the other side. Would have been nice if I could actually, well, if I could actually do it on the other side. I guess I can. No, I can reach it. I can reach it off this ladder. If you couldn't reach it off the ladder, I could have taken that and slid it in the opposite direction. You know, so you can reach it whichever way you got your ladder positioned. And for me, it seems like it would be best if I did it for me, if maybe I should swivel it on the other side, because see, my ladder's over here. It'd be easier if my wire nuts and stuff were off right next to me. Okay, so I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm just trying to adjust that. Okay, let's see if I can't get this up the very opposite that I have it. Well, actually, you know, I can reach it. I think I can reach it okay from right where I'm at. Okay, I think I'm going to do that. Alright, so my next step is I have to get these wires. These are all stranded wires. I'm just going to retweak the ends, make sure the ends are straight, because they were wrapped around the wire nuts before, remember? And this one, I just want to make it all nice and tight. Okay. I get all the stranded wires. Pulled out straight and twisted. In case you have any nibs, you want to get all those in a tight way so that the connection is better. And I'm just making the tips straight because they were in the wire nuts before and they were kind of loop-de-looed on there, okay? Alright. So those two, white to white, black to black, those go right up right up to the wall, to the ceiling, and I'm just going to straighten out the end with my pliers. And remember, the stranded or the solid wire, which this one is, that goes with the bigger wire nuts, right? Okay. Gotta get those wire nuts now and connect everything. That is my next step. Okay. Back up to wire this thing up. Now, I made sure that my light switch is turned off, which it is. Okay. And I'm going to, I think I'm going to hook up the solid wires first. And so I've got the black to black. Boy, I think I need to be up a little bit higher. Good grief, I'm way up here. Boy, even though my light switch is off, sometimes I still you know, I still want to be careful. I don't know why. I shouldn't really have any issues. When you think it's tight, let's try to turn it a little bit more. Pull on them, especially the stranded wire. Sometimes the stranded wire, you think, okay, the wire nut's tight, you don't have to do anything, and then you accidentally turn or move a stranded wire and it pops right out. Okay?